Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. And the factory reset could be useful in cases like if you want to pair your watch with another device, you maybe want to sell it or maybe give it away to somebody, or in like last resort, a type of thing you could try to fix some problems with your watch by factory resetting it to the default settings, but that will get rid of your data, so be aware of that. Anyway, let's continue. So one thing I recommend to check before you factory reset your watch is to check the battery level on it, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So check if the battery is charged, and if it is, we can continue. And now we can open the menu by pressing the crown button, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, we need to find the option called the other, and once you find it, tap on it, and then look for the option called reset to the factory settings. Tap on it, then tap on reset to factory settings, tap on the check mark to confirm, and wait until the countdown is complete. Like I said before, be aware though, restoring your watch to the factory default settings will remove all of your settings and data from it. So be sure you want to do this. And once you see the hello, welcome message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. So that's how you reset this watch to the factory default settings. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.